Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the mirror effect in OBS Studio display capture. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your OBS Studio application on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll notice that when you set up display capture, you might encounter what's called a mirror effect. This happens when OBS captures itself on screen, creating an endless loop of windows within windows. It's a common issue that can make your recordings or streams look unprofessional, but fortunately there are two simple ways to resolve this problem. The first method works best if you have a dual monitor setup. What you'll want to do is keep OBS open on your primary monitor while setting up your display capture source to only capture your secondary monitor. This approach completely eliminates the mirror effect because OBS is physically on a different screen than what's being captured. To do this, simply drag your OBS window over to one of your monitors. Make sure it's fully positioned on that screen, then when you configure your display capture source, select only the other monitor as your capture target. This way, your recording or stream will show everything on your second monitor without OBS appearing in the footage at all. This is the cleanest solution if you have access to multiple displays. Now, if you're working with just a single monitor, don't worry because there's still an effective workaround. The key here is timing and workflow management. Once you've set up your display capture source and you're ready to start recording or streaming, go ahead and click the Start Recording or Start Streaming button in OBS. Immediately after you start, minimize the OBS window by clicking the Minimize button in the top corner of the application. This removes OBS from your visible screen space, which means your display capture will no longer show the OBS interface, creating that mirror effect. Your recording will capture everything else on your screen cleanly. Just keep in mind that this method works well if your workflow allows you to have OBS running in the background without needing to monitor it constantly during your recording session. Both methods are straightforward and will help you achieve professional-looking display captures without that distracting recursive mirror effect getting in the way. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.